GLYC stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether GlycoMimetics stock is a buy or not for me, so watch this short video till the end. I'm aware that this thing has gone up just south of 200% off for the day, sitting at 49 cents. Just out of a half a dollar. So yeah, the way that I'm looking at this is beforehand, like my bias was a bearish, and of course I was looking to take it lower to 23 cents, which was not a wrong bias, like we definitely delivered. But now we're in new times, right? We're in new situations here. And I'll definitely mark out the highs here. As such, wait, 15-minute chart. I have this demand area set here. Right, this is something that I'll honestly try my luck on, but like obviously still, unless there's like a 5-minute or like a 1-minute double break here, this is not going to be a market that I'll buy. So still very cautious. Putting boundaries there, right? So caps waiting, because that's all I'm doing right now. If you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.